Hello crafty friends, this is Dawn from Cyan Craft Creations. I have a flip through of a junk journal that I've done in a bird and nature theme. So we'll just get to it. So we have, here's the front. And we have some danglies and yummies on the side here. On the back. And I'm kind of leaning over my tripod, so this is going to be difficult, but I will try my best. So on the inside, we have a pocket. This tag is a double pocket tag, so it's a journaling card in there, and one in here. And then it's made with vintage book paper. This is from an actual bird book. And then this is vintage book paper as well from a different book. The main kit that I used was from, let me think, Nevermore Creation 17. Sorry about the train. It always comes at the wrong time. We'll just let that pass. Okay, you done? Okay, good. So it's from Nevermore Creation 17, and I think the kit is called Birds of a Feather, and I used a couple other elements too, but I'll list them in the description. So we're just going to flip on through here. We have a little charm up here, some collage, some stenciling, top tuck, journaling card, and I'm kind of going like this so you can see it in the light. I'm in front of a window, so I'm trying to get the best lighting I can because there's not very good lighting throughout the house. Journaling card. This book page is the vintage bird book. And I believe there's a dangle up here too. Yes, there is. Okay. And on the side here. You can see it better like that. Like I said, I'm in a very odd position, so it's kind of hard for me to even show the book. This is just a collage from canvas and from a vintage piece of linen that I cut out the flower, like applique part of it. And this is vintage manuscript page. Another collage. Another journaling card. This is book page from a floral book. Belly band. And the line paper in there, this line paper is vintage notepad paper. This is a lace flip up with a large journaling card in there. And the paper throughout is coffee dyed. I didn't try tea yet. Maybe one day I'll try tea. This is vintage music paper. There's another dangle up top. Another journaling card. This goes up here. I took it out so I wouldn't have to fumble with it. But this is an envelope. This is the front and the back. And there's just some paper flowers on it. And then inside, I just made a little card. If I can open it. So this is vintage book page and some stamping. Actually, vintage music paper and stamping. And it's just a little journaling card that goes inside here. But because I'll fumble with it for 10 minutes, I'll just leave it like that. Here is a vintage flower page from a flower book. So a journal card. Here's part of the kit. It's a really pretty kit. Here is that vintage bird book page. Some more danglies. This is the center of the signature. It's one signature. And then there's some heart dangles, some heart beads, or whatever you call them. Hearts. Just hearts. They're in the center. An envelope with that same music paper and stamping with a journaling card. More of the bird book page. Another journaling card. More of that vintage flower book. I just love the images in the vintage books. Okay, so this pocket, it's like a double tuck, was made with a vintage dictionary page. So, I'm getting it out. Try to get it out. Okay. So there's a journaling card there. And, you know, it tucks in here. And then it tucks from behind with another card. And then there's fabric behind it. The blue is fabric. And I might have left this open. Yes, that's right. This is a tuck as well. It's been a while since I did this book, so, you know, I forget some things. This is just coffee dye paper with some lace, a stamp, just for extra journaling. And I don't know if you can tell with the stamp, but it looks like stained glass, and there's a little hummingbird in there. So cute. More journaling card. This envelope I collaged. It was just a plain white envelope. So I collaged the front and the back. And then inside is a journaling card. And then some of that vintage notepad paper. And then on the paper clip, there's a charm. Here's more vintage paper. There are lyrics or a poem on this. And I just made a tuck. Another dangle. And more of the bird book. And the pages are, a lot of the pages are reinforced with washi to keep them stronger, because there's, especially with the vintage pages, they're a little fragile. This has some shimmer through it. I don't know what kind of thread it is, but I don't know if you can see the shimmer or not. And then the back inside pocket is a doily collage. Journaling card. And this tag I just collaged. And that's it. So I'm debating on whether or not to sell it. But if I do, it'll be in my Etsy shop. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.